Finally guys, you are getting Google Gemini Pro for absolutely free. Yes, you heard it right. You're gonna get 1 year of bang on AI magic completely free for college students for a whole 1 year. No tricks, no hidden charges, just full power AI. And this is not just some watered down version either. You are getting Google best AI model, the same one used in tools like VEO3 Fast, Deep Research, Notebook LM, and whoa, did I mention you're gonna get 2 terabyte of free storage? Yep, that's true. And for this plan, other people need to pay 2000 rupees per month that you're gonna get for absolutely free, with just only one condition, that you need to be a student. So let me click here on get offer. And here again, I can't believe on my eyes what the value you're gonna get for absolutely free. All you need to do is you need to verify your eligibility. Here you can see the features, Gemini benefit, and the top 3 and then of course when you click here on this down arrow, these are additional benefits and these are also included. Now let me click here on verify eligibility. And there we go. So here what we need to do is we need to enter our school name. So simply search for your school name, and it also includes colleges. For example, let me write Bal Bharti School, or probably you can also write Indian Institute of Technology. Obviously these colleges will be there, but you can also find regional colleges, for example Anna University, or probably let me see if it also cover open school. So I'm gonna write NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling, and that's amazing guys because this is also covered. Now you need to enter your name, your date of birth, and then you need to enter your email address, and then you need to click on verify student status. And then there are certain way to verify. Either you can verify using, by entering the same credential that you got from your school or college, or in certain case you require to upload your proof of enrollment. So in both the cases, the best method would be if you're going to use your email address that is provided by your school, because that does not require any manual verification. So that's how guys you can avail this offer. An offer like this do not last forever. So share this video with all the friends of your. Don't let them miss out. This is one of the craziest student benefit Google have ever launched. Google Gemini Pro, free for students. No excuses, no delay. Go and grab it and become unstoppable. Also do subscribe to Technoholic for more such video, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.